I'm about to do. I'm gonna enjoy it. Very, very much.
In the cabin, watch out, they got some range. In the cabin. Yeah. Just a bit of cover is the best you can have. Really? Already? I hope so. Right. Pinned. Got one. Gun hit. One's still right side of the cabin, one's been killed though. Come on. Really? Really? Reloading. Yep. Watch the cabin, they can get range. Oh, now they got no more respawns. No more respawns! Oh, what the hell? Sorry, Marshall.
What's that?
Yeah, no worries, I know the exact feeling.
No.
Oh, God.
Were you here earlier?
Yeah, I was here earlier.
I saw you here, and when you died, I was like, oh, I need to get
But they've got no lives left, so if you can get them, get them.
Yeah.
It took a long time, actually.
Yeah.
Come on. Really? 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 Really?
I think there might be.
There's still one up there, he hasn't... Really? Right side. Oh, God. Right side of the cabin. Inside. Gun hip! Right side of the cabin still. How the hell?
One to the left and hot as well. Oh, no, sorry, no.
Yeah, right side.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
God damn.
Colourful barriers.
Alright. This is ridiculous. Right side cabin still. Inside. Oh, no you don't. Oh, yeah. He spotted my head, that's why. Cheeky bugger. Yeah, watch out. Right side of the cabin. Right side of the cabin, left side. Oh God, I have no balance here. Really? Really?
Are you ready? I'll come over the window. You ready?
Watch that cabin, watch that cabin.
Marshall, I've got a question. If he shot me underneath here, is that legal or not? Okay.
He's shooting under that netting.
Also, there's the cabin as well.
He's coming under the netting.
Woo!
Oh,
Stop shooting me! You're shooting out of bounds!
what?
Stop shooting me! You're shooting out of bounds!
Ah, bent my toes back.
I'm not going to take the hit! Guys, stop turning out now!
Whoa, watch out. Shed windows, let's go! Oh dear.
clear. Game over! Unlucky.
Let's have a look, see. Yep, saved. Sniper coming from that direction.
Yeah, I saw him lay down.
Oh no, I can't see. I've got the sun.
Still shooting.
Oh, I can't see. I wish I had a bigger cap.
See someone? Where? You see? You see where you got?
Literally, it came from that direction, but I can't see with the sun. It might still be there, Mr. Gacy. Just watch out. Ah, fuck. Oop. Yep, okay, I'm out. I'm out. You still alive?
Yeah.
Good. Oh, buddy's down. Buddy's down.
Still there? Yeah. You still here?
Oh wait, then you go out, don't you?
No, no.
No.
We respawn, okay, and then we go back in.
Oh.
So you come to the marshal, and then he counts the lives, and then you're good. Go back in.
Okay.
Until you hear the words "last life" or "end of lives."
Oh, yeah.
That's when you got to worry.
Thank you.
No worries. Just don't get shot too much, and watch out for the sniper because again there is a sniper there. Welcome. Whoa. Okay. There's two at the wooden fence back there by the tree, straight ahead, where that smoke is lifting up right now. Yeah, there's definitely a sniper. Watch out. Oh, hello. Runner coming up! One by the tree, right side netting. Oh, God. Runner coming up! Did you get the guy here?
Yeah, like
Okay, good, that's why I ran in.
There's one just down here, just down here.
Right. Wow, it's loud in here.
Oh yeah. Movement left, in front of here.
Oh, is that... Is he still alive? Oh.
Fuck that, really. Can't pop my head out.
Whoa, yeah, you're alright.
Yeah.
Good cover, tactic.
Oh, you got me in the fucking head. Make sure you're not shooting.
Hit, yep. I'm not shooting at you. I just go. Alright.
Oh. because they're a battery, so.
Oh, well.
I'm just going to wait for them to come up and then I'll use the rest of my battery.
Oh, right, fair.
Single shot! So they're up here?
Yeah, there's some over there.
Single shot, they're coming up on
Yep,
here.
yep, they definitely are.
I'm going to step back here then. There you go.
Yep. Oh, God. Knife kill. I can't.
That's alright.
Yep, you're definitely right about that.
Alright,
Just bear in mind, I've got a full assault rifle. Woo! Yeah.
Lynn!
Tree line on the right side still, 2 of them. Oh shit, that's a sniper. Oh shit, that's AGs.
Oh, I've got ricochets, man.
Come on. Really? That's ricochets, mate.
Oh yeah, the ricochets are actually kind of. Oh, God, my shirt.
God almighty, that's a sniper.
Surprising how much they're not even getting inside.
There's a sniper there as well, that doesn't help. And there's AGs. And I'm... Come on.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm dead. Let me out, I'm dead.
Oh, okay.
Let me out.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you're good.
Good. Right, they're literally right up at the cabin now, running up. Right side cabin's been compromised. Right side cabin has been compromised, guys.
Fucking sniper right there.
Yeah.
Right, we're still back in.
Watch out from this angle, they're starting to shoot through. Coming across you, buddy. Coming to your left. Yep, I'm hit. Yep, stay low. Someone drop a mag?
Cheers, bro.
No worries.
Coming in left side, definitely.
Left side.
Yeah, so they're just behind the shrubbery. They're coming in.
Come on, I got you. Really? Yep, go on. Don't. I was fogging up so I couldn't see.
Game on in 3, 2, 1.
Bam, 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 bam. What? Oh, come on.
Don't mind me.
Okay, thank you. And if, don't tell me I'm all up here by myself. Any support here would be great. Yep. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Tactical shot. Tactical. Watch out here for a top if they come over.
Yeah.
Go down there.
Oh, God. Gotcha. Yep. Ah, fuck my hand. Fuck my hand.
No, respawn! No! Respawn!
Woo! Touch me.
I'm just going to sit down here for now.
Left side, in the doorway, pathway.
You alright?
Got a whole bunch of them fucking.
Yeah, I'm hit. Guys, stop being vicious. Fucking hell.
Hold on.
Oh, yeah, well done there. I tried to cover you there. So
Yeah, it's alright.
watch. Some people are getting a little too trigger happy at the end.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, mine is actually shooting. It wasn't shooting. Look where you're firing!